Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another neon painting. So let's start. First I am making a vertical line, then a horizontal line, then again vertical and horizontal line. Within these lines you have an idea what I am making. It's a heart. I am making scenery with heart, flower and sun. Now I am drawing a sun. Then I make a line for defining the land. With the green color, I draw some grasses. With the pink color, I draw some flowers. With the white color, I draw clouds. With the grey color, I draw some birds. And it's done. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share.